At Preform Line Products, we have decades of experience designing, testing, and manufacturing motion control products for overhead conductors and cables. Now, we are adding another solution for our customers by offering the Detuning Pendulum. This product was designed to control galloping, a type of conductor motion that can cause severe line damage, requiring power utilities to make costly repairs. As ice builds up on a conductor, the shape it forms can increase aerodynamic movement, making it act similar to an airplane wing. Wind blowing across the conductor will create both vertical and rotational movement. When the conductor twists back, these forces are reversed, adding energy to the conductor motion. When vertical and torsional frequencies synchronize, this energy can reach high enough levels for galloping to occur. The result is extreme vertical movement up to 40 feet peak to peak, which can cause damage to conductors as they come in contact with each other or to connection hardware and structures as they are subjected to large dynamic loads. The weighted arm of the detuning pendulum opposes the rotational force on the conductor and also changes the torsional frequency to prevent it from synchronizing with the vertical frequency. Extensive field studies have proven that this effectively cuts down the number of galloping events that occur and drastically reduces the amplitude of motion when they do happen, preventing damage to the line. Since it was first introduced in the 1970s, the detuning pendulum has been installed on over 40 transmission lines worldwide, giving it a long track record of success. The detuning pendulum assembly from Preform Line Products includes all the components needed to install the pendulum and protect the conductor from long-term fatigue damage. A kit consists of the pendulum assembly with weights and frame, structural reinforcing rods, an elastomer cushion to support the pendulum, and retaining rods to hold the pendulum in place. Detuning pendulum components are manufactured and assembled in the United States. Recently, Preform Line Products supplied more than 1,500 detuning pendulums to a large utility that has experienced galloping occurrences in the past. The solution was for a 30-mile line consisting of over 130 spans. Pendulum designs are specific to the transmission line parameters, so working closely with the utility was necessary. Using proprietary line analysis, Preform Line Products provided a report to determine pendulum placements, quantities, and galloping amplitudes before and after placement. PLP visited the project location to witness installation and provide support to the utility. From a helicopter, linemen installed all associated hardware, including the armor rods, in under 3 minutes. This project was one of the largest detuning pendulum installations ever performed, and Preform Line Products was proud to see the overall installation was a major success. No matter the application, Preform Line Products has the knowledge and experience to work with our customers to provide the best hardware solutions. Contact PLP to talk to our product experts about galloping control for your transmission and distribution lines, or visit us at preform.com.